Now we're welcoming Supatirada, Wongchanla, and I butchered your name again. I'm sorry for that.
It's correct. Yeah. Good. Thank you. Have you ever felt sad when you missed your mom or when you were away from her? I have, and the piglets as well. But why? What happened to them? Well, to get you all the delicious bacon and the pork belly for the K-barbecue, the piglets, they need to be separated from their mom at a very young age. So the mom can go back to produce more babies. This is to meet the high demand of the pork. But what happened to these little piglets? They got super stressed. And when they got stressed, their body got weaker, and then they're easier to get bacterial infection. And then they have diarrhea. So when they have diarrhea, they don't grow well, and this could even kill them. And of course, the farmers, they don't like that because they are losing the money. So what would you do when you have diarrhea? You would seek for the medicine, right? The farmers, they think the same way. That's why in the past, they added the antibiotics into the pig's feed to help reduce the diarrhea. But here is the big issue. Because when you added too much of the antibiotics into the pig's feed, the bacteria in the gut, they become resistant to the antibiotics. It means the antibiotics cannot kill them anymore. And what's worse, when the pigs poop, these little bad guys, they spread out into the larger environment, and that impacts all of us. So this brings us to the significance of my research. We use glutamate instead of the antibiotics to help reduce the diarrhea. So what is glutamate? Glutamate is a natural amino acid that can be found in plenty kinds of food, and it is also a part of MSG as well that makes your food yummy. So when the glutamate is in the gut, it helps to boost the gut immunity. And the question is, what if we just feed extra glutamate to the piglets when they are having diarrhea? Maybe it helps the gut to be stronger and then fight off the bacteria and then reduce the diarrhea. So we don't need the antibiotics in the farms anymore. So my research, we fed extra glutamate to the piglets when they were having diarrhea. And you know what? It really helps. It helps to reduce the diarrhea and helps them to grow better as well. So we don't need to use the antibiotics anymore. So my research is not just about getting you all the delicious bacons for your breakfast, but also help to protect our environment from these little bad guys, and also help to create a safer world for our future and the next generation. Thank you.